Solving equations with variables on both sides. 3x equals x plus 8. We cannot solve until we have the variable on the same side. So what we do here is we subtract x to both sides. 3x minus x is 2x equals 8. Now we know how to solve this. We divide by 2 to both sides. X equals 4. Seven x equals 5x plus 4. We subtract 5x to both sides. Gives me 2x equals 4. Again, I divide by 2. X equals 2. If I plug 2 into both sides, 7 times 2 is 14. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. So x has to be 2. You want to get the variable on one side and the constant, which is 4 on this case, on the other side, right? That's how you're going to solve it. Now, I could have subtracted 7x to both sides, but that would have made this negative 2x plus 4 equals 0. And we don't want to do that. I want to keep the variable positive as long as possible. So 7 minus 5 is going to make it positive. 5 minus 7 is going to make it negative. So that's why I moved 5 to the left.
So you don't do 4 because it's different?
You could have.
You just chose, so you can do either one?
Yes. Let's do it that way.
But how did we get 2?
It's just easier to decide.
Watch. Okay, so I'm going to subtract 7x to both sides. This gives me 0, because 7x minus 7x is 0. This gives me negative 2x plus 4. Now it would be redundant to move 2x to the other side because I just brought it over there. So I'm going to subtract 4. Negative 4 equals negative 2x. I divide by negative 2. Still gives me x equals 2.
You can't do 4?
But then how did we get 2?
3x minus 2 equals x plus 4. So I want to move the variables to the same side. I want to move the constants to the same side. I can subtract x or I can subtract 3x. It doesn't matter. It's going to give you the same number. But I want to keep the variable positive just because it's easier to do. So that's why I subtract x to both sides. 3x minus x is 2x minus 2 equals 4. Now we know how to solve this. I add 2 to both sides. This leaves me with 2x equals 6. I divide by 2. X equals 3. If I plug 3 in for x, that gives me 9 minus 2, which is 7. 3 plus 4 is 7 as well, so x has to be 3. 7y plus 8 equals 4y minus 10. Blaine, which side do I want to subtract?
4y.
Okay, he's going to subtract 4y. Leaves me with 3y plus 8 equals negative 10. Riley, what would I do now?
You would take y minus 3, or y divided by...
It's 3y plus 8 equals negative 10. So what's the first thing we do to get y by itself?
You divide, or no, you subtract.
Subtract 8, right? Because it's 3 times y plus 8. So we would times by 3 and then add 8 to it. So we have to go in reverse order. So we subtract 8 first. Then we divide by 3. Y equals negative 6.
Wait, sorry.
2x plus 3 equals 3x minus 2. So to keep the variable positive, I'm going to subtract 2x to both sides. This leaves me a 3 equals x minus 2. Because 3 minus 2 is 1. I add 2 to both sides. X is 5. We can check our answer. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. 3 times 5 is 15. 15 minus 2 is 13 as well. X has to be 5. And there's your assignment.